Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the do's and don'ts of home cleaning. It's about creating a home that sparks joy, a sanctuary where we feel comfortable and at peace. Stick around for some effective cleaning hacks that will keep your home spotless and organized. Before we even think about reaching for cleaning products, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of decluttering. It's a crucial first step that sets the stage for a more effective and satisfying cleaning experience. When we declutter, we create a sense of calm and order in our homes. This tranquility can transform our living spaces into sanctuaries of peace and relaxation. We remove the unnecessary, allowing us to fully appreciate the items that truly spark joy. This process helps us reconnect with what we truly value. Imagine walking into a room where surfaces are clear, floors are free from clutter, and every item has its designated place. Such an environment can significantly reduce stress and increase productivity. This sense of order not only makes cleaning easier but also allows us to appreciate the beauty of a clean and tidy home even more. It turns a mundane task into a rewarding experience. Go through each room and consider each item. Does it spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in your life? Is it essential for your daily life? These questions help us make mindful decisions about what to keep. If not, it might be time to let it go. Letting go can be liberating and make space for new opportunities. Donate it, recycle it, or simply discard it. Each action contributes to a more organized and harmonious living space. By removing the excess, we allow ourselves to fully appreciate the beauty and serenity of a clean and organized home. This newfound clarity can enhance our overall well-being and happiness. Now, let's talk about cleaning products. Using too much product can actually be counterproductive. Just like a pinch of salt can enhance the flavor of a dish, the right amount of cleaning product can effectively clean your home without leaving behind any unwanted residue. Using too much can create a sticky buildup that attracts more dirt and grime. Start with a small amount of product and gradually add more if needed. If it's leaving behind a sticky or soapy residue, you're likely using too much. By using cleaning products mindfully and avoiding excess, we can ensure that our homes are not only sparkling clean, but also free from harsh chemical buildup. Cleaning is not just about removing dirt and grime. It's about restoring balance and harmony to our living spaces. Let's talk about the art of cleaning from top to bottom. This simple yet effective method ensures that we're cleaning in a way that maximizes efficiency and minimizes effort. Start by dusting ceiling fans, light fixtures, and the tops of furniture. Then, move on to cleaning windows, mirrors, and countertops. Next, tackle appliances, sinks, and bathroom fixtures. Finally, sweep or vacuum the floors, working your way out of each room. This method not only ensures that we're not spreading dirt and dust to already cleaned surfaces, but also creates a sense of rhythm and flow as we move through our homes. As you clean from top to bottom, visualize yourself creating a clean and harmonious environment. Our cleaning tools are our loyal companions on our journey to a clean and organized home. Just like we care for our belongings, it's important to show our cleaning tools the same love and attention. When we use dirty cleaning tools, we're not only spreading dirt and bacteria but also reducing the effectiveness of our cleaning efforts. Make it a habit to clean your cleaning tools regularly. Wash microfiber cloths in hot water with a gentle detergent and allow them to air dry completely. Disinfect sponges in the microwave or dishwasher and replace them frequently. Clean your vacuum cleaner's filter and dustbin regularly, and wash or replace mop heads as needed. By taking care of our cleaning tools, we're not only extending their lifespan but also ensuring that we're cleaning our homes effectively and hygienically. Let's take a moment to appreciate the power of natural cleaning solutions. Imagine the fresh scent of lemons, the gentle fizz of vinegar, and the purifying properties of baking soda. These natural ingredients have been used for centuries to clean and freshen homes. Using natural cleaning solutions is not only better for our health and the environment, but also adds a touch of mindfulness to our cleaning routine. Create your own all-natural cleaning solutions using ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, while baking soda acts as a deodorizer and gentle abrasive. Lemon juice adds a fresh scent and cuts through grease, and essential oils like tea tree and lavender offer antibacterial and aromatic benefits. You'll be amazed at how effective and refreshing natural cleaning solutions can be. While it might be tempting to mix different cleaning products to create a powerful cleaning concoction, it's crucial to remember that combining chemicals can be extremely dangerous. The results can be unpredictable and hazardous. Mixing the wrong chemicals or using the wrong proportions can lead to unexpected and potentially harmful reactions. These reactions can range from minor irritations to severe health risks. Each cleaning product is formulated with specific ingredients designed to target certain types of dirt and grime. These formulations are carefully balanced to ensure effectiveness and safety. While these ingredients work effectively on their own, their interactions with other chemicals can be unpredictable. Combining them can create toxic fumes, release harmful gases, or even cause explosions. These dangerous outcomes can occur without warning. By avoiding the mixing of cleaning chemicals, we can prevent these hazardous situations. We're creating a healthy and secure environment for ourselves and our loved ones. Ensuring safety in our homes should always be a top priority. If you're ever unsure about whether it's safe to mix certain cleaning products, it's best to avoid doing so. Err on the side of caution and don't do it. The risks far outweigh any potential benefits. Consult the product labels or contact the manufacturer for guidance. They can provide specific information on safe usage. Your health and safety are paramount, and taking the time to read labels can prevent accidents. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to handling cleaning chemicals. Implementing precautionary measures can make a significant difference in maintaining a safe home environment. Let's explore the transformative power of a cleaning schedule. Just as we schedule important appointments and allocate time for our passions, dedicating specific times for cleaning can bring a sense of structure and order to our lives. Creating a cleaning schedule doesn't have to be a daunting task. Start by identifying tasks that need to be done daily, weekly, and monthly. Daily tasks might include making the bed, wiping down countertops, and sweeping the kitchen floor. Weekly tasks could involve vacuuming, mopping, and cleaning bathrooms. Monthly tasks might include deep cleaning the kitchen, washing windows, and cleaning out the refrigerator. This will make cleaning feel less overwhelming, as you'll know exactly what needs to be done and when. In our homes, certain areas experience more frequent contact than others. These high-touch surfaces, often overlooked, play a significant role in maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. Each touch, while seemingly insignificant, can transfer germs and bacteria, making these high-touch areas hotspots for potential contamination. By incorporating the cleaning of high-touch surfaces into our regular cleaning routine, we can significantly reduce the spread of germs and create a healthier home environment. Make it a habit to wipe down these surfaces daily using a disinfectant wipe or a microfiber cloth sprayed with an all-purpose cleaner. Pay particular attention to doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, faucet handles, toilet handles, and any other surfaces that are frequently touched. Let's delve into the world of cleaning cloths and discover why microfiber cloths deserve a special place in our cleaning arsenals. These soft, absorbent, and surprisingly effective cloths have revolutionized the way we approach cleaning. Imagine a cleaning cloth that can attract and trap dust, dirt, and grime like a magnet, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean without the need for harsh chemicals. That's the magic of microfiber. Microfiber cloths are made from incredibly tiny fibers, much finer than a human hair. These fibers create a vast surface area that acts like a powerful magnet, attracting and holding onto dirt, dust, and even bacteria. When using microfiber cloths, dampen them slightly with water or an all-purpose cleaner. After each use, rinse the cloths thoroughly and allow them to air dry or toss them in the washing machine for a deeper clean. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to approach cleaning as just another task to be checked off our to-do lists. However, when we slow down and embrace the cleaning process, it transforms from a chore into a mindful practice. Imagine yourself moving through your home with a gentle focus, taking your time to clean each surface thoroughly and with intention. Instead of rushing through the motions, be present in the moment, noticing the details of your surroundings and appreciating the transformation that's taking place. Cleaning with intention is about more than just removing dirt and grime. It's about restoring balance and harmony to our living spaces. It's about creating a home that not only looks clean but also feels clean, a sanctuary where we can relax and recharge. So the next time you embark on a cleaning endeavor, slow down, breathe deeply, and allow yourself to be fully present in the process. Feel the texture of the surfaces you are cleaning, listen to the sounds of the cloth against the furniture, and smell the freshness of the air as you go. This mindful approach not only makes the task more enjoyable, but also turns it into a form of meditation, a way to clear your mind and find peace in the simple act of cleaning. Embrace the process, and you might find that it brings a sense of calm and satisfaction that you never expected. Thanks for watching. I hope these cleaning tips inspired you to create a home that sparks joy. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home cleaning hacks and tips. Happy cleaning!